Learn English naturally. Part 1. Hello everyone. Welcome to another English learning podcast. I'm Isha. I'm really happy that you're here today. If your dream is to speak English confidently, you're in the right place. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll learn step by step. Just relax, listen carefully, and whenever I ask you to repeat, speak with me. Remember, making mistakes is completely okay. Every mistake helps you learn something new. So, let's begin. Lesson 1. Greetings. I will say a sentence. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Ready? Let's start. Hello. Repeat. Hello. Hi. Repeat. Hi. Good morning. Repeat. Good morning. Good afternoon. Repeat. Good afternoon. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening. How are you? Repeat. How are you? I'm fine. Repeat. I'm fine. I'm doing great. Repeat. I'm doing great. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. It's nice to see you. Repeat. It's nice to see you. Have a wonderful day. Repeat. Have a wonderful day. See you later. Repeat. See you later. Goodbye. Repeat. Goodbye. Excellent. Let's continue. Lesson 2. Introduce yourself. Imagine someone asks you, tell me about yourself. Don't panic. Use simple English. Listen. Hello. My name is Rahul. Repeat. Hello. My name is Rahul. I am from India. Repeat. I am from India. I live in Delhi. Repeat. I live in Delhi. I am a student. Repeat. I am a student. I work in a private company. Repeat. I work in a private company. My hobby is reading books. Repeat. My hobby is reading books. I enjoy learning English. Repeat. I enjoy learning English. I practice English every day. Repeat. I practice English every day. I want to become fluent. Repeat. I want to become fluent. Very good. You're doing great. Lesson 3. Daily conversation. Now imagine you're meeting someone. Listen carefully. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm doing well. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Where are you from? I'm from India. What do you do? I'm a student. That's wonderful. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Now let's repeat together. Lesson 4. Daily use sentences. These sentences are very useful. Repeat after me. Please help me. Thank you very much. You're welcome. I understand. I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Could you speak slowly? Can you help me? I agree. I don't agree. That's interesting. I like it. I don't like it. Maybe. Of course. Certainly. No problem. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It's okay. Take care. Good luck. Have fun. See you tomorrow. Excellent. Lesson 5. Vocabulary. Today we'll learn simple words. Happy. Happy means feeling good. Example. I am happy today. Repeat. I am happy today. Sad. I feel sad. Repeat. I feel sad. Beautiful. The flower is beautiful. Repeat. The flower is beautiful. Strong. He is strong. Repeat. He is strong. Honest. She is honest. Repeat. She is honest. Kind. My teacher is kind. Repeat. My teacher is kind. Friendly. My neighbor is friendly. Repeat. My neighbor is friendly. Confident. I am becoming confident. Repeat. I am becoming confident. Amazing. You're learning new words already. Lesson 6. Pronunciation practice. Listen carefully. Think. Not think. Think. Repeat. Think. 3. Repeat. 3. Thank you. Repeat. Thank you. Practice. Repeat. Practice. English. Repeat. English. Confidence. Repeat. Confidence. Conversation. Repeat. Conversation. Excellent pronunciation. Keep going. That's all for this part. I hope you enjoyed today's English practice. Remember, the more you listen, the more confident you'll become. If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more free English lessons for you. And don't stop here. Watch the next part of this video where we'll continue learning more real-life English conversations, useful vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking practice together. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next part of this video. Bye.